Hi guys, this is Ishan. This is the second part of my vlog. Fire ants! Look at the huge orange ants. Can you spot them? They're all around the place.
So this is a bit.
There's some walkers in the forest. It does get confusing, but we lost our way in a couple of times. Oh my god! Guys, it's a little quiet, but we're a bit scared. Oh my god! I hope there's no tiger lurking in the corner. Oh my goodness, I'm so scared. Weird sounds everywhere. Listen to the sounds. Come on. Oh, we can see the falls.
Down there, down that path.
Ah! Did you allow me to roar? No tiger can tackle me. It's very, very humid here. Feels like I should take a bath in the falls. What's that? Don't worry, he won't hurt us. As long as we stay still. It's a huge snake. I'm going. Looks like we're nearing the falls now. We made it and lived to tell the tale. Here we are, and we have finally spotted some people. So guys, it is a small waterfall and it's not that deep. The water feels really refreshing after this walk. What am I doing? I'm finding these skipping stones. Look at this. What I want to find is like an agate piece. You know what agate is? An agate is just a compound rock. Look guys, I've spotted a freshwater crab. Having lots of fun, it's so crazy. Look at this, and I've roamed in on like a striped rock, and I'm going to catch and feed one go. Whoa! And there's so many fish and they keep nibbling on your feet. I've got it! Is it phone fine? What's in the cave? Look at that odd little cave. What happened to the wall? And then we spotted a big group of jungle monkeys. We had a lot of time at the waterfall and we decided to do a treat. Ninja.
ये वही ब्रांच है जो आपने फेंक दी जाते हैं
But there's a waterfall from behind. Woohoo! Made it out and lived to tell the tale. See you next time. Subscribe and comment down below. Notification bell.